Hi, this is how to make a Lego cannon. Well, a catapult, sorry. What we need is four of these bits, two of these, yep, one of these, a 1x12, one of these, it doesn't have to have holes, and one of these. First, to make the cannon bit, you get your board, and then get the spoon, and put it on one of the sides, like that, and then you put one around, just like that, and then get that bit. And then so you stick that to the, hang on. So it looks like that, okay? Now for building the other part, you get one of these, and it's about 1 hour. And so then, oh damn it, take that off. Just like the other one, there you go. You made a Lego cat and put that on top. There you go. It doesn't look like it's coming. It's a really good camera. Thanks for watching. Bye.